Well, hello everybody. Working on the old mini bike project. The old S10 behind us. It's pretty well ready to go, but the weather's not been very nice to us at all. So we're hoping, Hunter and I are hoping that first weekend in November, there's a streetcar only. You got to drive it in. All your lights got to work. Got to be on street tires. Hoping we're going to get to go to that if Mother Nature cooperates. But anyway, let me flip you around and show you what I've been doing on the Mini. Alright, so got the chain mocked up. Needed a couple links. I got another hunk of chain over here I gotta break down and make one. The engine is mounted to this plate. Find my light. This is my light I got from Busted Radio Garage, and this thing is it's neater than sliced bread. But got that plate. Sit right there where it won't blind us. So that plate is bolted to the engine, and it's welded to these guys, little outriggers, and then here. This side's tacked. I need to turn it around, but I can't do it by myself. Got this fancy tank. I made that bracket deal there, only on this side. So when Hunter gets back from running errands, I am going to turn this thing around and get the other side done. All right. Okay, got him turned around. Got this plate welded in. Got the other tank mount welded up, cleaned up. Put some paint on there, maybe grind some more of this crap off here, but got a good solid mount for the tank. Got a good solid mount for the motor. I had to take this side cover off so I could get down in here. But I took the carburetor off because it needed cleaned up. What else? Oh, and I cut the muffler off, cut the pipe out of the flange. I had to build me a little exhaust pipe over there. Work on this linkage, yada yada yada. But it's coming around. These orange fenders got to go though. Just saying. But hey, everybody enjoy. Happy Saturday. Get out there and fix something. We out.